In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist inside a Jira issue. To get started, open your project or space in Jira so you're looking at the board or list where your work lives. From here, you can either create a brand new issue or open an existing one that you want to organize. If you're creating a new issue, just make sure you're in the issue view before moving on. Next, click inside the description field to edit it. If you prefer to keep the main description clean, you can do this in a comment instead. Both places work well. The key is choosing the spot where your team expects to find the list. Look for the rich text toolbar above or below the field. This toolbar makes formatting easy and may include options like bold, italics, links, and lists. If you see it, you're in the right place. Now click the checklist or bullet list option. Depending on your setup, this might look like a checkbox icon or a standard bulleted list icon. Either will let you create a list that's easy to scan and update. Add your checklist items, one per line. Keep each item focused and action-oriented so it's clear what done looks like. For example, you might include items like update homepage banner, optimize website images, test mobile responsiveness, and review final design. Press Enter after each item to create the next line in your checklist. This helps you build the list quickly without breaking your flow. When you're finished, save the issue if there's a visible save button, or simply click outside the field to confirm your changes. Many Jira setups autosave, but it's always good to make sure your updates are captured. You can open the issue anytime to update the checklist as work progresses. Check items off as they're completed to make progress visible at a glance. If new work comes up, just add more checklist items as needed. This is a great way to organize smaller subtasks without creating separate issues for everything. Use your checklist to keep the team aligned. If you need input or a handoff on a particular item, mention teammates in a related comment so they're notified and can jump in quickly. Before you close the issue, give the checklist a final review. Make sure every necessary item is present, accurate, and checked off. This simple habit helps prevent last-minute surprises and ensures the work meets expectations. And that's it. Your Jira checklist is set up and ready to keep your tasks clear, trackable, and on track.